Make sure to stay until the end. We're going to share a common mistake people make and they end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and repairs they actually do not need. All that will be covered in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick helpful video to any of you trying to find the door module fuses on GMC Sierra, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2018. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them. There might be some minor differences for year 2018. They changed a few things, we'll talk about that. And if you need to buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we'll share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from. You can see where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's start on it now. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So let's go ahead guys and start on it now. The door module, fuses and relays, where they're located. So we'll be working two different fuse boxes that are hidden. By the way, you have many hidden fuse boxes in that GMC Sierra. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that can save you a lot of money. It's called GMC Sierra fuse box location and diagram. Check it out. What we guys need to do now here, we need to first open the driver door. When you do that, on the side of the dash, you see right here, you have that cover. If you remove that cover, you pry it open, you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Here we need to check one fuse, then we need to go to a different fuse box and check a few more things. So here, what do we guys need to check? The first fuse is known as fuse number 40. We're talking about that fuse right here, very important fuse. Year 2018 may differ the look a little bit of the fuse box, but it will be almost the same. They changed mostly the engine fuse box, but that fuse will be the same for both of them. That will be fuse number 40. Then open the passenger door. It will be the same like the driver door. Remove that cover and you're going to find, okay, similar fuse box like that one. Here we need to check guys fuse number 42, right here. Okay, those are for the right doors, and on the driver's side is for the left doors. Relays, you don't have relays, those are known as relay fuses for the door modules that you will need to check, the only thing practically. So guys, this GMC Sierra has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of relays, and those could be really hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you cannot find a replacement one, you may be stuck because of that. So we recommend guys, okay, to get some spare ones and put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching, see you next time.